go look at the goat that's walking around. I'll be right back, hon.
This is Via's baby. This is how the baby gets out.
Oh, look!
They're just standing on the sheet.
That's how they get out?
Yeah, they jump on the top of the sheep and then jump out.
Oh my God, how cute.
That's
Little
her
guy.
baby.
Hi! Look how cute you are.
Aren't they so cute?
So cute.
Standing on it.
Standing on his mom.
No, babe, that's a sheep under him.
Oh, okay.
Or her. This is a goat. That's a sheep.
Oh, so
The mom
cute.
is the white goat that ran out.
Oh, okay. Really? That's his mom?
Yeah, they only her and her mom know how to get out.
Oh my God, that's so funny.
And she's gonna try to get out.
She's gonna go through one of those things?
No, she's gonna try to jump over the fence.
The sheep doesn't mind that she's just standing on it? That's amazing.
It's so funny.
That is so funny.
So
What a mischievous little goat.
That's my favorite. It's so cute. If kids go in the stall and that one's in the field, it like baws really loudly and like runs over to the kid.
And that sheep really doesn't care that it just hops on his back? It doesn't even notice, do you think?
I don't know. It's just eating, so it doesn't really care.
They're busy eating. Let's see, where's the mom again? Is that her right there?
It's such a lucky goat.
She just does what she wants?
Yeah.
And she doesn't get in, they don't like pull her back in and get her in trouble?
Well, like sometimes, I don't know. She's not in trouble though.
And she gets out because she figures out how to get out?
Yeah.
Hey, goat. What's her name?
Mia.
Mia. Hey. Oh, there goes Mia.
I'm a little worried. She's like pretty far, but
Do you want to go tell someone?
if I see Caroline, I will.
Do you want to grab her collar and pull her back?